Welcome to Kara's kitchen. It is pouring rain outside, so I thought I'd make kind of a cozier snack. So we're gonna make roasted chickpeas, super easy. I don't make anything that isn't easy. Okay, so start the oven up. We want to get it to 400 degrees and rinse them off. And what I do, just to keep things really simple, I put them in the pan to bake them, like so. And then I just gently caress them, give them some love, dry them off as much as possible, because they won't crisp, I'm telling you. You'll get like some outside ones that'll crisp up, but then you'll have the center ones, they'll still be soft and they're not as good, and you want them to be crispy. That's the whole point of it. Being a snack, right? Like a potato chip, you want a little crunch. So that is what we're looking for. You can pick these out, the little skins on these guys, but I don't. So then you're gonna take your olive oil, just give her I do like a 4 swirl or a 5 swirl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is the fun part. I should have my salt. You give a little salt. Oh, oven's ready. Like so. I do a little ground cumin in there. This is brand new, because it gives it an added little flavor that I enjoy. You don't have to do that. You can just salt and go from there. Or maybe there's something else that you like, go with that. Anything you want, just kind of throw it in there. I also do a little tiny bit of garlic salt, because I like salt. And I like garlic. And I do that. And then, make sure your hands are clean before you go in here. And just mix it all up, like so. So they're good and ready. Give them a little space. Like I said, it's good to have them breathing around each other. The space gives them a little more crisp. And that's it. Wash your hands. So once they are in the oven, they should be in there for about 20 to 30 minutes, and toss them around every 10 minutes. These guys, can you smell them? They are delicious. They're just out of the oven. I'm gonna burn myself. Cool. That's what you want. Hope you like them. Woo.